What is up? Today I'm going to be showing you a glitch in Archer Forest used to pretty reliably win every Sapphire and Red Diamond consumption race competition. So as you can see, I've got 200 Sapphire consumed here, and I've got another 2.6 thousand. Now with my 2.6 thousand, I should be able to approximately quadruple that to get about 10,000 in the consumption race using a glitch where you open up another instance of the game right as you spend some sapphires. So for this, you're going to be wanting to have it's easiest if you have an emulator where you can just easily have multiple instances on the same account to reopen the game whilst you're playing it. We're just going to cloud save first to sync it all up to the others. Click it a few times because it's a bit shit. It doesn't always work first try. Let that sync up a sec. Now if you've seen the glitch for the Archer Village, it's the same premise. And we can do this a few times. I think on average I can do it maybe 4, 5, 6 times on average before each time it fails. So what you want to do is click summon on one of these, but you want to open up a game first, and when it hits 52%, that's when you want to click summon. And it will have a stutter on the instance that the game is actually open on, and that's how you'll know if it's worked or if it hasn't. So I'll open up this, and remember we've only used 200 sapphires in the competition and we've got 2.6k, okay, 2.6. So wait till 52%. There we go. Open that, and there you go. See, there's a stutter. That means that's worked fine. Now you can do this with a lot more instances of the game to make it work a bit better. I'm only using 3 just to show you, but we can go to our protectors tab in here, and we'll see we still have 2.6 thousand sapphires, but if we go into the competition, we're actually up to 400. So we added 200 sapphires without actually consuming any. And we'll just do this one again. Open up Archer Forest over here, and once it hits 52%, the second it does, we want to summon some protectors. There we go now. And there we go, there's the stutter, which means it's worked. And now on our third instance, we will see that in the competition we've used 600 sapphires, but we've not actually used any. In competition, 600 sapphires, and we should still have 2.6 thousand. There we go. And now this works exactly the same for red diamonds as well. So you can do it exactly the same and approximately quadruple, maybe even more. For me, it seems like about 1 in 5, 1 in 6 times it fails. So if you've got, say, 2,000 of a resource, you can expect to get 10 to 12,000 out of it in a competition. Just cloud save this up so that these two have been saved to this version that I'm on here, and then load up Archer Forest again. Goes my protectors, 52%, and there we go. That's another successful attempt. You'll know it's failed if there isn't that stutter and it just goes forward to the page which shows you what protectors you've got. Now you're not actually summoning any protectors doing this, so you're not gonna get any protectors out of this. This is solely just to trick the game into thinking you've spent sapphires when you haven't. So we're on 800 here, and we're still on 2.6k, so we've not spent any, and yet we've got 800. I can keep doing this. I'm just going to keep going until I hit a high number, and I'll just cut to that. See ya. Okay, so it just failed on the one I was doing. So now I'm down to 2.4. I've used 200, but as you can see, I've got 1200 in the consumption. So I got 5 times, because since I started on 200 and 2.6k, I've only spent 200, but I consumed 1000 in the competition with only consuming 200. So I got essentially 5 times as many sapphires in the competition as I actually even spent. So yeah, that's how you perform that glitch with the competition. Again, this also works exactly the same for red diamonds. Okay, so I've been continuing the glitch a little bit, and I'm down to 800 sapphires now, but in the competition I'm up to 7200. So I've actually been a little bit unlucky today. My fail rate has been about 1 in 4 attempts, but with the rest of my sapphires, about 800, that should be enough to take me to about 10,000 if I wanted to, but I think I'll just leave it at 7,200. It's a very good amount, and yeah, so that's with 1.8 thousand sapphires. I've gotten 7,000 out of it because I already had 200, so not bad at all.